Hey guys, this is Cubingdom here, and this is gonna be the Q&A video of for my 100 subscribers, and I'll declare the winner of my giveaway in between this video. So stay tuned and make sure to watch till the end. So the first question is, what is my PB? So I guess you all were asking about 3x3. So it's 13.69 seconds generated by finger timer. So the next question is, what is my favorite puzzle, WCA and non-WCA? So my favorite WCA puzzle is 2x2, and the non-WCA I like the Axis Cube and Fisher Cube a lot. So okay, the next question is, what are my main cubes? Okay, so for 2x2 I use the Meilong Budget 2x2. For 3x3 I have a magnetic cube which I recently got, and I'll not reveal that because there's about to be an unboxing video to come to my channel, so stay tuned. For 4x4 I use a budget brand RS Toys, and for 5x5 I have Meilong and Chi. I like Chi more. And for 6x6 too I have Chi budget 6x6, and I don't have a 7x7. Okay, so what is my favorite WCA event? Why? Okay, so here we go again. My favorite WCA event is 2x2, and I really like because it can be solved very quickly, and it is based a lot on luck. So you can get a sub 1 solve, and at the same time you can get a solve over 5 seconds. Okay, so who is my favorite YouTuber among JPerm, Cubehead and Tingman? Okay, so I like Cubehead the most. Even if there were not any options, Cubehead was to buy my ultimate answer. Okay, so next question, what is my favorite cube in my collection? So the favorite cube in my collection is my Axis Cube. Okay, Axis Cube and my magnetic cube which I recently got, my first ever magnetic cube. How many puzzles are there in my collection? I don't exactly remember. There are around 18 or 20, including WCA and non-WCA. What is my dream puzzle? So my dream puzzle is the original WRM 2019, because there are a lot of reasons for it, and help me with GPerms. Okay, so GPerms were the PLLs in which I suffered too. I had problems learning them, and after I learned them, they were pretty easy to flow and finger trick. They seem a bit hard because there aren't any common trigger moves in it. So it's easy to finger trick if you learn. Just practice it. So next question, my 3x3 and 4x4 average. So I am almost sub 20 in 3x3. I average 20 to 22 or 23 seconds, and on 4x4 I average 1 minute 30 to 1 minute 45 seconds. What is my goal by the end of the year 2021? By the end of this year precisely. So my goal is to get completely sub 20 on 3x3, and after that next year sub 15, then sub 10, not sub 5 in my whole life probably. So whom do I like more, Max or Felix? So I like both a lot. Felix is very fast and Max, but I like Max Park more because he has a disease called autism in which he couldn't socialize with others, and through cubing he got better, and yeah, he is my inspiration. And to declare the giveaway winner, congrats to Expert Cubing for winning. So best cube to buy for 200 rupees. So 200 rupees is around $3, and I would highly recommend getting the Meilong 3C. It is an amazing budget cube. You can magnetize it and lube it, and if you set it up properly in the tensioning which you like the most, it performs extremely well like any other flagship cubes. And you can, if you are sub 10, you won't notice that your average is getting up. So you can still get sub 10 solves on it. It's the best budget cube, non-magnetic. So how many magnetic cubes do I have? So I have only one magnetic cube which I recently got. And do I have any big cubes? Yes, I have up to 6 by 6, and I am planning to get a 7 by 7 in the future. So what is my TPS? So if I spam TPS, like I spam TPS on the cube without any solve, I can get up to 16 TPS, 16 to 18, and in my solves it is generally 3 to 4 TPS. It's very bad, I know. So next question, when did I start cubing and how did I get into it? So I started cubing in January, late January, and it was my sister who gave me a cube. She had one and she had solved it by looking at a tutorial, and she gave it to me, and then I messed up with it. And finally, the day I started with the cube, and I messed up with it the whole day, and finally I solved it for the first time in the same day at night. I didn't sleep for the whole night, so, and that was absolute joy. So next question, teach us some finger tricks. I'm not a master of finger tricks, but I know almost all of them, because I know full PLL and almost full OLL. I know around 50. So my TPS is very low, but finger tricks is pretty good, so I'll probably make a video about them in the future. So my favorite lube. So my favorite cube lube is Lunar. I'll go for Lunar. I have Stardust and Lunar. I got them from Speedcube shop, the Lightspeed bundle, and many people like Stardust over Lunar, but Stardust is a water-based lube, so it gets dry very fast, and I like the feel of Lunar the most. Lunar is the fastest silicon-based lube from SCS, and Stardust is the fastest water-based lube, and I like the feeling of Lunar more. So now we are done with cubing questions. Now I have some personal questions asked by you all too, so let's get into them. What is my real name? So my real name is Sameer Barnwal. Where do I live? I live in West Bengal, India. My hobbies other than cubing. Okay, so I like in outdoor games, I like football a lot. It's my favorite sport. And for indoors, I play chess with my father. Okay, so next question, what is my age? So I'm 15 years old, and my favorite music genre and song. So I like thrilling motivational songs a lot, and my favorite song is Dhakad from Dangal. So this is the end of this Q&A video. I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks so much again for over 120 subscribers.